Alright, continuing on. Remember from the previous side, f of x was 4 over x. G of x was 2x over x minus 2. Alright, so the composition of f and g of x is f of g of x. Okay, so what we're saying is you're going to take the original equation, which is 4 over x, but instead of x, you're going to put your entire g of x. Okay, so yeah, it looks a little strange, but we'll just use our algebra skills and we'll figure out how to simplify that. Okay. So the first thing to remember is it's a division problem as it's set up right now. So we could change that into a multiplication problem by saying 4 times x minus 2 over 2x. Because when you're dividing by the fraction, you flip the numerator and denominator. Okay, so I'm looking here, 4 and 2 share a common factor of 2. And that's all I can do. So 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. Over x. Or, if you prefer factored form, 2 times x minus 2 over x. Okay. We have no instructions either way, so either of those would have been good. Alright, now, g composition of f means to take the original function of g of x and replace your x's with f of x. So our original was 2 times x, so instead of x we're going to put 4 over x. And then x minus 2, so 4 over x minus 2. Okay, so we have some things going on in the numerator, some things going on in the denominator. The numerator, I can go ahead and multiply. That would be 8 over x. Okay, and that's all the simplifying I can do there. Okay. 4 over x minus 2, when we know when we want to combine our fractions, we have to have a common denominator. So since this has a denominator of x, I would like this to have a denominator of x, but the only way that happens is if I also multiply the numerator by x. Okay, so now I have 4 minus 2x over x. This is a division problem, which can be rewritten for multiplication by making the reciprocal. So instead of 4 minus 2x over x, we're going to have x over 4 minus 2x. Okay. Very quickly, I see I have x on the numerator and denominator, so that's equal to 1. Okay. And then I also notice I have 4 and 2, which means 2 is a common factor. So 2 will cancel, or will factor out of the 8. And I am left with 4 divided by 2 minus x. Okay. Alright, we're going to pause there and we'll try and get the next problem in one video.